guys, we're back. I want to kickstart your success with half moon with one more option, and that's using the wall. Obviously, wall space in a class setting is sometimes obsolete or not available, but when you're working one-on-one or working at home, you can definitely utilize this to help with alignment and help with balance as you increase the positivity and the overall outcome of a pose like half moon. So Lainey's going to step open and prepare for warrior two. Again, another great solution is doing warrior two on the wall as well. Nice deep breath in. One thing we want to make sure here is that the foot is not lining up with the wall. Okay, we want to have the block lining up with the wall. So I would say that the foot is about a block's width, about 4 inches from the wall, and you'll see why in a second. Nice deep breath in. Lainey's going to slide along the wall, literally, to help her with balance. And then she can adjust that block accordingly. I don't really have to do anything now. Well, not anything, but she's going to really have this great feeling on the wall for what she needs to do. She can feel and look that her foot is pointing forward, and maybe her foot needs to be closer or further depending. A lot of times, depending on how much you have behind you, will determine where that foot needs to go. But she can feel her heel on the wall, and she can slide it up or down. I want you to imagine, Lainey, that you're dropping your tailbone towards your heel, so she's lengthening her lower back. Leaning her whole upper body against the wall. She has that security of being against the wall without falling over as she works to revolve her rib cage and her heart towards the ceiling. Now, as she becomes more confident, she could play with balance by taking her head and her upper body off the wall and maybe just balancing on her heel, or taking everything off the wall except for her upper shoulders to kind of play with balance. But at a moment's notice, if she starts to become unstable, she has that wall close and nearby to ensure success and the safety of her lower body as well. As she comes out, all she has to do is slide back up for a nice transition. Great job.